3 years ago, I read How to Read a Book by Mortimer J. Adler and realized I've been reading wrong my entire life. The problem is school doesn't teach you how to read. It only teaches you how to elementary read. But there are 3 other levels of reading that can allow you to supercharge your reading. In this 4-part YouTube series, I'm gonna teach you what your school teachers never did. How to go to the bathroom without a bathroom pass. I'm just joking. I'm gonna teach you how to get the most out of your books by learning the other 3 levels of reading. By the end of this 4-part YouTube series, you're gonna be so good at reading that you'll make Miss Frizzle jealous. Now you might be asking, why am I so excited to teach you how to get the most out of a book? The reason is I used to read tons as a kid, but when I got to school, I started to hate reading. I played video games for hours every single day instead of the boredom, sadness, and death that I would feel associated with reading. However, in junior year of high school during COVID, I started reading again when I got into Game of Thrones after watching the movie series with my brother and my dad. But even after getting back into books, I still didn't know how to understand the books that I was reading effectively, how to connect them together to create novel insights, how to find time and energy to read, how to smartly share them with other people. In this video series, I want to teach you what I've learned about understanding and connecting my book insights together, because that's a core part of the reading process, and it's what has allowed me to get so much joy out of reading today. And I promise you, people will notice if you learn this skill. You'll become that person that's thought of as articulate, intelligent, and interesting inside of your friend group because you have novel insights from books that you can smartly share with other people. With that being said, what are the 3 levels of reading according to Mortimer J. Adler that we're gonna learn in this playlist? The first level of reading is elementary reading, which is the type of reading we learn to do in school. We just learn to read the words. The second level of reading is inspectional reading. This is reading to quickly scope out a text or information to prime yourself for a deeper read or determine if you should read it in the first place. Then we have analytical reading, which is reading to deeply analyze a single text, to understand what the book is about as a whole, what is being said in detail and how. Is it true in whole or in part? And why is it significant? Finally, we have synoptical reading, which is the creme de la crop. It's reading by putting multiple books in conversation with each other to further discussion on some question. This is where you create novel insights that no one else has ever had, which is why synoptical reading is the most powerful level of reading. Now, it's important to note that all of these reading levels are cumulative. So each level of reading encompasses the lower. To analytically read, you need to know how to elementary and inspectionally read. To synoptically read, you need to know how to elementary, inspectional, and analytical read. This is why synoptical reading is the most difficult level of reading, but it also makes it the most fruitful. So join me in part 2 of this series where we'll learn how to inspectionally read a book. This is going to help you quickly skim a book to prime you for a deeper read and determine if the book's even worth reading in the first place. But before you do so, consider signing up for my free email course, Unlock Your Inner Genius with Linked Book Note-Taking. Over 3 days, use link note-taking apps to create novel insights, compound your knowledge, and become that interesting person inside your friend group. You can sign up for the course in the link up to the top right corner of the screen or in the description below. As always, have a fantastic rest of your day, eat some peanut butter, and bye-bye.